Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set ad preferences in the Snapchat app. First we have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the camera. From here we just go into the profile menu. Then we tap on the settings, scroll down, and here we find ads. And at the top we find ad preferences, and here we can set our preferences. Whether we want to have audience-based ads, activity-based ads, or third-party ad networks. So yeah, you can just customize your ads here and select what kind you want to have or not. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.